Hi, this is Professor Gina, and this video is showing you how to do a couple of the problems from the Circle worksheet that we had. It's looking at circumference and area. So I'm going to start with problem number 5A. The shape was a square that had a semicircle sitting next to it, and we were asked to find the perimeter of that shape. So the little tick marks that are on the side are showing that all three of these sides are the same length. They're all going to be 18 centimeters. And then here on the side, we've got a semicircle. So this that length is going to be 1/2 of the circumference, of a circle. So normally for circumference, we use pi times diameter. We know that the diameter is 18 here because this part right here is the same. That's going to be the diameter right there. So I think that the perimeter for this shape is going to be 18 plus 18 plus 18. That's the three sides of the square. And then plus 1/2 pi times the diameter, which is 18. So grab a calculator. 18, 3 times is, this part's 54. And then I'm going to have 1/2 times 3.14 times 18. So I'm going to get plugging this into the calculator. I'm getting 82, I'm rounding this, 82.3 centimeters for our answer here. All right, the next problem I'm going to do is number 6A, which has 3 circles inside of a rectangle, and we're supposed to find the area that's not shaded, so the area that's white. For this problem, I know that the diameter of each of those circles is 10 inches. So if I draw a line here, I know that that's going to be 10 inches. And then because the circle has the same diameter no matter where I draw it, it's also going to be 10 inches going this way. So I think that the height of this rectangle is 30 inches because I've got those 3 circles stacked on top of one another. So to find the area of the unshaded region, I'm going to take the rectangle and I'm going to subtract the 3 circles, the area of the 3 circles. So I think that my area is going to be, the rectangle is 10 multiplied by 30. And then for circle, the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. But up here we have that the diameter is equal to 10 inches, so then the radius is going to be equal to 5 inches. So I think I'm going to have 3 sets of pi times the radius, which is 5 squared. So 10 times 30 is 300. And then I'm going to subtract off 3 times 3.14 times 25. I'm just entering this into the calculator. And I am getting that the area is 64.5 square inches. And then the third example I'm going to do is number 9A, which is a circular track that is 440 years long, so yards long. That's related to the circumference. So we're saying that the circumference is 440 yards. Oops. So normally we say that circumference is pi times the diameter, or we could say 440 is equal to pi times the diameter. If I divide both sides by, oops, not by the diameter, by pi, I get that 440 over pi is equal to the diameter. And then I'm going to take 1/2 of both of these sides. I'm going to multiply by 1/2. Because then I can have the radius. 1/2 of the diameter is equal to the radius. Over here, if I multiply across on these fractions, I get 440 over 2 times pi. So the radius is helpful because I'm trying to find the area, and the area of a circle is pi times the radius squared. So we can use this for our formula. So our area is going to be pi 3.14 times the radius squared. So I'm going to have 440 over 2 times 3.14, and then that's going to be squared. I can enter this into the calculator just like that. And I'm getting, oh, I did not get the right answer there. Oh. Okay, let me do this again. I'm getting a crazy answer. Hang on. Yeah, I'm getting 15,414, but they wanted us to round to the nearest 100, so we're going to round this to 15,400 yards squared. All right, if you have questions, send me an email or send me a message through Canvas. Thank you for watching.